Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. So the war is over. Oh boy, oh boy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Thoughts on just an announcement. Due to extreme volatility, we have restricted minis in equity, precious metals, energies. Expanded price limits. So Russell's only up 3%. Nasdaq's up 2.75. We're not even at the lock limit. Lock limit's 7%. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We've got some pretty big moves though. Hey Brian, good evening. Raj, Miss K. Oh man, oh man, oh man. What a night. I've only placed one trade, got 10 points on the ES. Could have got a lot more out of it. Could have got a lot more. But I chickened out. Yeah, too many people doing well, probably. So they gotta limit that, or you can't trade nothing. You only trade whatever's not moving. That's funny. Yeah, hey, so crude oil went down to what, 92-ish? Let me pull that over real quick. Let's go look at that real quick. Crude oil got smoked. We talked about this. I kept trying to go long. We smashed all my targets. So now I got a problem, which we'll go over here in a moment. So if we look at crude oil real quick, crude oil got smoked. Look, crude oil went all the way down here to what, 91? Low was 91.05. Ooh-wee. Yeah, it's come off the lows a little bit. But that's, a little bit problematic here. And if we come over, let's draw out these ABC patterns again. All right, we have one on the S&P. We talked about. Let's just redraw this out. Bada bing, bada boom. ABC target smashed. The high volume node within the minus development area smashed. Point of control smashed. We do have another point of control up here at 6838.75. Yeah, I think it's funny. All right, we have a ceasefire. Pew! Hey, minutes after they announced the ceasefire, Iran went ahead and launched more projectiles at Israel. So here's a question. Do you guys think the ceasefire holds? If it doesn't, this could be ugly. Hit a home run on that bounce. Nice. Hey, repeat. Good job. So we shall see. We shall see. We look over here at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ smashed the targets, I believe, as well. But now we got very poor structure on these volume profiles. I was screaming about this target ever since this weekend. Actually, since the end of last week, I think. We're screaming about these targets. Smashed all the targets. All the high volume nodes, point of control, ABC pattern. Yeah, so is the US going to go back and attack and say, nah, they just don't know they're supposed to stand down yet? That would be crazy. Crazy. I think you need to go ahead and lobby some more stuff right back. If they don't want to hold up to it. I think they said not until the straits are opened will it be over. Something along those, or does it go into effect? Yeah, CL's trying to get back to 100. Trying. And we have a lot of liquidity up here on the ES too. 68, 10, 20, and 25. 20 has 415 contracts up there. 110 put on Palantir for May 15th. Nice. So let's see. Now, at some point, we're going to get a pullback. But look at the volume profile. It's basically non-existent. Non-existent. All happened in very low market, very low volume. We did gap up tonight. What do? We came down. We filled the gap. Then whoop, right on up. Right on up there. So we are stretched away from the VWAPs at the moment. On the NASDAQ, VWAPs at 876. ES, it's at 6770. Thousands of 6,700 were bought earlier today. So we got a little bit of a pickle out here tonight. A little bit of a pickle. You know, I don't like one directional markets. I like when the market ebbs and flows back and forth. If it wasn't for the micros this morning, man, I was having a rough time this morning on stream. I was struggling. You'll look over here on the 5-minute real quick. Take a look at the VWAP. All right, so crude oil came back to the VWAP. What about ES? Nope. What about the NQ? Nope. What about the YM? Nope. What about RTY? Russell 2000? Nope. So can't buy this market. Well, if they keep lobbing projectiles, that's going to be a problem. That will be a big, big problem out here in these markets. So we shall see. Oh, look around any news. Stars goes 9 minutes. Huh. Yeah, it says 36 minutes ago. Fourth preemptive Iranian missile alert has sirens blare for earlier strikes. Missile warnings for Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, UAE, Bahrain, Israel. No, you can't let that go. Can't say ceasefire and then start launching projectiles. Can't do it. Can't do it. And again, the VIX isn't going to be trading right now. Look at the dollar. Look at gold too. Gold had a pretty big move. Hey, Raj, you're probably liking that gold now. Gold's, those puts you sold on gold are probably doing fairly well. We gotta see if crude oil is going to overtake that 100 strike price as the markets are coming back here a little bit. Hasn't made it to the lower commanders. Yeah, but you can't say, well, we didn't get it. Not everybody got the memo. Give us a few days. You can't do that. There has to be, I don't know. If it was me, if I signed a ceasefire, then you start lobbing projectiles at me, I'm going to be pretty agitated. Just saying. Just saying. But hey, that's just me. We do have a giveaway tonight. We're going to do a pretty good giveaway tonight. And I still got to pick the winner from tonight's video. We'll see who won. Gave away 2 accounts today. One from the video last night. One from the stream this morning with Take Profit Trader. Tomorrow we'll be giving away another Take Profit Trader account. Tonight we're going to do another Purdy account. Yeah, little ranks that disagree. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Do the trades reopen or not? We're going to find out. At some point, we'll find out. We'll know. So. Iranian ballistic missiles continue to be fired at Israel. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Hey, who's to say that we're not already going to be in a recession? Who's to say we're not already in a recession? You got to think about that too. I hear a little bit of chirping. Make sure my headset's charged up. In case Jesse wants to come on tonight. Hey, so the range tonight on the NASDAQ, 736 points in Asia. On the S&P, 166 point range. We smoked the daily average range by a bunch. Largely. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. I do appreciate it. And again, I gotta be careful tonight. I don't like one directional markets. So I gotta be careful. Hey Adam, what's up? But we smashed ABC targets. Normally, once we complete an ABC pattern, the market does something other than continue in that direction. That could be go sideways. That could be a pullback. Either or would be acceptable. So we're going to have to wait and see. Yeah, hey, Raj, that's kind of what I'm thinking about as well. So, you know, I was long. I kept going long all morning. I think I only placed 1 or 2 shorts all morning. So I had the right idea. I was just a little bit early. A wee bit early. Now, I was thinking about shorting crude oil earlier today when it was up. I couldn't bring myself to do it. Even with the micro, I just could not bring myself to do it. I really wanted to yellow one out there and just see what happens. And if I would have shorted it around 116, when I was looking at it, it was 117, 116, all up in that area. Man, that went 116. If I held it all the way to 91, oh my goodness. That'd be nice. Very nice. But yeah, I think most people did. We gapped up right out of the gate, came down, filled the gap, and then ran. I've only taken 1 trade so far tonight, and that was 10 points on the S&P, which is nothing in the scheme of things. I could have gotten a lot more out of it. I got out way too early. I was all excited with the 10 points, and then it just kept going and going and going. I was like, you idiot. As soon as London opens, I don't know. Hey, Raj, you don't think London will try to push us up a little bit more? Let's go see real quick. HSI is up, or not HSI. Nikkei is up 2,252 points. Big gap up, holding up. HSI is probably going to gap up as well. Let's see, is the CAC moving yet? Yeah, CAC is up only 0.5%, really. So Bro has prepared to pay $2 million. Yeah, I don't see how that could be negotiated. You can't have that. If they have that in the deal, that's just a waste. We wasted all the time and risked everybody's lives. That was stupid. Stupid. We're still gonna have a global recession. And $2 million, that's gonna be on every ship. Yeah, that's gonna add to some inflation. FBI intelligence report warned of elevated threat to the United States from Iran as White House minimized risk. And please announce this American journalist. So we'll see if they just keep launching projectiles or not. So tomorrow at 8 a.m. we do have a press conference coming out from U.S. Secretary of War Hegseth. $2 million per ship is not that expensive. I don't know. It's $2 million more than it had to pay right now on every single ship. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, make it poorer. Yeah. Yeah, consumer pay for all. We're already going to refund all the tariffs. So all the tariffs that we took in, we got to refund that. Deficit's already blown out of proportion. Like craziness. They think we can spend our way out of debt. You know, that's not the case. So. Yeah, but so think about this. Who's actually in control over in Iran? Ayatollah got taken out. His son, the replacement, is in a coma. So who's making the decisions? Iran's Revolutionary Guard still lobbing projectiles. We have a new supreme leader. Yeah, I don't know. Trying to ask Pakistan and Turkey to represent Russia. Yeah, they keep saying we're not negotiating with nobody. We're not negotiating. Oh, hey, we got a deal. But we're not negotiating, but we got a deal. How does that work? How does that work? What if we come out tomorrow and we realize, oh crap, it all fell through, and then all the plants and everything got taken out overnight while we're sleeping? That'd be pretty spooky. Let's see. Let's see what they're saying now. When so to begin immediately upon Iran reopening the Straits of Hormuz, aiming to halt the attacks for 14 days. We're trying to push back up here. We still have not come back and retested the VWAPs yet tonight. Yeah. Sell covered calls. Oh, they're ripping it right now. We got a ripper. Short term, we got to be overbought. I gotta tell you, I want to fade it, but man, at the same time, I'm scared to fade it. We smashed all the targets I'm looking at to the upside. Huge gaps within the profile. Like, that's just insane. And I know trying to short it's probably going to give me a big, nasty headache. I really don't want. So I just keep looking for ways to buy it long and push, push, push. All-time highs not on the cards this year. Yeah, you know, maybe. But definitely, anybody that was short, they're squeezed a little bit, and it could get a lot worse tomorrow. Yeah, I thought about shorting that, but hey, what's up, Jacob? What's up? Push the lock button and sit on hands. Nice. Jesse, are you saying you already hit the lock button, or that's what you should do? Go to also test the second deviation. Yeah, gold had a big move as well. Gold, oil, indices. Hey, Jesse, I don't know if you heard, but somebody said Top Step sent out a message, an email. Hey, you can't trade any of the equities. Can't trade gold, metals, due to the increased volatility. We're not even close to the limits. We're not even close to the limits. And gold's had a nice little push. Decent little push. Oh, that's crazy. Bitcoin's still down. Let's look at Bitcoin in the daily. Little push up today. Yeah, when they can trade against you. Yep. So oil did come right back to the view app. Do we reject and go back down, or can we flip it? Does gold flip it? I'm not looking to fade it, but worry about those windfall wins. Yeah, but that's kind of messed up. Like, oh, sorry, the market's moving, so you can't trade it. We're not going to allow that. But hey, we really want real traders. Get out of here. They already have a rule about the 2% of lock limit. So if we get up 5%, so another 2% on the NASDAQ, then you would hit the lock, within 2%. Have to be out, but. All right, new highs on the NASDAQ. New highs. We just keep on grinding. Squeezing some more shorts. Brokerage outages tomorrow. Oh boy. Don't speak that into existence. How I trade in the bucket shops. Yeah, Live and Warren. I love listening to that book. I had the audio book of that. I've listened to that book I don't know how many times. Every time I hear bucket shops, I think about prop firms. When he talks about the bucket shops. Macro is still up. Yeah, we'll see. How much longer until all these high oil prices are going to have already chewed into people's disposable income that's already on a tight budget? How long before they start defaulting on their credit card bills, which we already know there's cracks in the private credit market? Now, if it comes out glued, I don't think it's going to be right now. I don't think it'll be for another couple months. So bad, want to short it. Hey, so who out here thinks we're going to make it all the way down here and take out this untested point of control? Not this guy. Not this guy. Hey, they tried to get me in a subprime loan, so I went to refinance my mortgage on my first house, probably late 06, 07 sometime. And they came to my house. They kept trying to push this adjustable rate mortgage. I was like, no, I want to know what my payments can be. Well, it doesn't go up. If it does, you can refinance. All the BS. I said, no, I want to know what my payment is. Even if I'm paying a little bit more than what I would pay with that, I don't care. And thankfully I did that. That could have been problematic for me. Hey, Jesse, Iran still lobbing projectiles. Iran still firing at Israel. There's warnings as of 30 minutes ago. No, they said it goes into effect as soon as they open the straits. As soon as the straits are reopened, it goes into effect. It might, but at some point, like, how high do you think we're really going to go in one day? How high do you think we're going to go in one day? Right now, we have the NASDAQ up 2.97%. Russell's up 3.23%. ES up 2.23%. Dow's up 1.94%. No, hey, no, Paul, it's a per candle. That's not how you really read it. We have a lot of buying balances. We're coming up on a little selling balance where we were right there. Got another buying balance coming in right there. So there's no presence of sellers at this moment. And why would there be? Why would the markets want to go down right now? Unless something jeopardizes the ceasefire. Because right now that's dominating the market. And tomorrow we have very little news as well. I think we only have one thing to worry about. And if my day goes as planned, I won't be trading at that point. So tomorrow we had the FOMC meeting minutes and the 10-year bond auction. That's it. Thursday and Friday, though, we have, we have some news coming out then. Thursday, we get final GDP, core PCE price index, 30-year bond auction. Then on Friday, we get the CPI data coming out. So core CPI month over month, CPI month over month, CPI year over year, preliminary consumer sentiment, preliminary inflation expectations. So that could get the markets moving. Hey Yoda, what's up? Yeah, in Q, wow. Yeah, in Q definitely was moving. And I keep finding myself wanting to short it, so I'm trying to be patient here. I know it's probably going to go up higher, but my gut instinct is I want to sell it. Big move, I want to sell it. So I'm trying to keep that at bay for the time being. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. We are going to be giving away a pretty account tonight. So you guys want a chance to win a free account? Well, tonight could be your tonight could be your night. There we go. Yeah, hey Raj, I won't be surprised if we do push a little bit higher. I don't think we're necessarily done yet. I don't think we're done yet. Joining time for the next crisis. Next crisis will be me underwater in my short. Right here, we got a small little trade detector bubble right up there. Look how cute that thing is. I really want to smack it. Smack it. Do it. Do it. But I don't want to be crazy with it either. The bottom is in. All right. Got some people saying the bottom's in. I've been trying to go long the last couple days. Quite a bit. Taking the pain train. So let's see. But again, who wants to buy up here at these high prices today without a pullback? I know some of you guys just like to keep pushing it. I wish I had a little bit of that in me, but I don't know. That's not my that's not my forte. Missiles pound Tel Aviv 9 minutes ago. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, that's crazy. We'll see how long this actually holds up. Can't wait till the morning to short. Yeah, I'm wanting to short it right now, JD. I am. I'm just trying to. You know, they keep launching projectiles, and we say F it. They're not upholding it. Here we go. Don't be surprised if we see a little bit of that back and forth. We got ceasefire. No, we don't. Yes, we do. We haven't made a deal with nobody. You made 10K. Nice. Hey, Total Dork, what's up? Thanks for smashing that lucky like button. Hey, Bob, did you sell the puts on crude oil? Or did you buy it? Oh, Raj did? Hey, Raj, you sell the puts or did you buy them? Until they keep oil higher, that's going to be a problem. Higher oil price is going to cause more inflation. You sold puts? All right. Hey, stay broke. Good night. $70. Hey, for what month? How far out? Hey, Raj, how far out? Right when it hit 91? Nice. June.
It's official.
Oh.
It's real.
Ah. Ah. My phone in. YouTube starts blaring. Oh man, that's funny. Golly. That's craziness. Craziness. I really want to short it, but I don't want to get caught off sides. Uh-oh. Jesse said he took one more trade. Oh wait, that might have been before. That was before we were on stream. So maybe he is on lockout now. So still gonna mark the top. I really want to short this. I really want to short it. Where we got target? Way up here. Way up there. I don't know. Might swing some micros overnight too. Haven't decided yet. Not decided. You short MES? Hey, what price did you get on MES? Man, this thing might hit what, 1,000-point move or something. We do that. Look, here's a breakout point all the way down here. Don't. Oh, we already tested it though. We broke out. We came right down and tested it. So that's null and void. Not that I think we'd make it all the way back down there, but. I ended up taking a short on the NASDAQ. I'm going to get stopped out. I meant to do the MNQ and I did the freaking NQ. Dang it. I didn't want to do that. All right. Let's see here. Then we'll do a little DCA approach. It could get ugly on me. Really wanted a micro. I'm going to put a micro on right now. I really wanted one micro. I didn't want one NQ. Unless it works out. Come on. Come on down. Please, please. And yeah, I doubt we come down really fast tonight. But you never know. I did short one MNQ. Also, I meant to short one MNQ. I accidentally hit it on the NQ. So I'll let this trade play out. I probably should just take it because I didn't mean to be in this. All right, I'm going to take it. I didn't mean to be in that trade anyways. I am in the MNQ though, so let's go. Okay. There's a trade I just put on. Only got one on. I'm gonna look to get more on it. I could have stayed in that NASDAQ. Thank you. That's all right. Now I gotta figure out where do I want to trade this back towards. Or where to pull a fib from the swing low down here. 30% retracements down at 712. Don't know that I'm trying to hold it quite that low. I'm thinking more maybe along 800-ish. Somewhere near this little congestion area right there. Maybe. Raj should expect a 50% retracement. Hey, Raj, are you going all the way from the low of today to the high for that measurement? If so, that'd be all the way down there at 521. That'd be massive. Massive. So, yeah, that'd be a massive retracement. So, I'm probably just going to try to take it somewhere around this area here is what I'm thinking. And if it goes up, I will DCA into it. So this is definitely going to be a DCA type of trade for me. So. Israel not too happy with the details of the ceasefire. Trump cautiously, seriously optimistic about 2-week ceasefire. Huh. Yeah, 35 years. Raj got more time in the markets than I do. I've been trading since 05. So. Hey, large fires have broken out at energy facilities in the eastern region of Saudi Arabia due to a recent missile attack. Despite the announcement of a ceasefire, Israel's Air Force continues to carry out strikes in Iran. Iran, in the meantime, has fired salvos of ballistic missiles at Israel. So we have a ceasefire, but we're not going to abide by it. Oh, hey, it says the 2-week ceasefire allows Iran and Oman to charge fees on ships transiting through the Straits of Hormuz. Iran would use the money for reconstruction. Huh. Regional officials says ceasefire plan allows. That's craziness. Craziness. CL's still at 96 right now. But we're trying to rip back up, so I am glad I only got a micro on at the moment. Yeah, but if they can eliminate all that, Bob, you won't have to worry about neither of them. All right, hey, is that new session highs? Oh, new session highs on the NASDAQ. Golly, this is a huge range. Huge range. Buying oil in the morning. You keep shopping. Well, oil made a low at 91 something. Now we're back up to 96. So, again, I'm trying to take it easy, slow and easy. Only got a micro, only one micro on at the moment. But like I said, I will DCA into it. So So I gotta pick the winner from today. From today's video. Let's see. How many likes do we get? Yeah, today's video did not do well. So anybody that follow the details in the video, you have a better shot of winning. Let's see. I'm going to give it to a little bit later, but let's go. So again, we're grinding up, but it's slow. Most of the movement's been gone. You here for the ducks? Yeah, we're going to do the duck race here in a little bit. We'll probably pick the winner of the video here around 10 o'clock. Not for the duck race, but for the video from today. Giving away a TPT account from the video this afternoon. So if you guys watched it, you know what to do. You have a shot of winning. And we shall see. I need to pull up the email too. If you guys want a chance to win the Pretty account tonight on stream, make sure you are sent to the email list down below. So let's see. Jesse's bailing out. I don't know. Jesse might be on here tonight. We'll see what he's up to. He said he hit the lockout feature, so he's not going to trade. We'll see if he comes on and hangs out with us. Hey, BK, good BK, good evening. Hey, did anybody buy before the close and hold into it? Looking to hold into 8 o'clock tonight? Anybody that did, man, you guys were rewarded. Nice. Only a recommendation. Oh, okay. I got you. Flip your XFA in one day. That's easy to do. Prop firms keep us on a tight leash. I only made $1,200 and something across 40 accounts or something today. So it was like $30 per account or something, 30 something ish. So I didn't do very good. Saw it in pre-chat. Who needs the lockout button? Oh boy. Here comes Superman. Somebody's gonna get that kryptonite out, Jesse. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Danger. $2 million has to be paid in one. Yeah, we'll see how that's gonna work out. Yeah, oil's nuts. Hey, BK, NASDAQ was nuts. S&P is up nuts. Like everything went rocketing. Everything's up at least 2%. Russell's up 3.26%. Nuts. So let's go check on the Nikkei again real quick. HSI will be open here in about 15 minutes, I believe, unless it's the bank holiday. So Nikkei is up 2,500 points. Daily chart, big gap up and just running up. I'm assuming HSI will be up as well. CAC right now is only up 0.6%. Then it pops off again. Yeah, that'd be a problem. How do you join the duck race? You got to sign up to the email list down below. Nightbot's going to give out a key phrase. You're going to type into the chat. And it'll pick out 10 random people out of the chat. If you guys haven't yet, let's see if we can get to 100 likes. We have 186 people in here at the moment. Only 67 likes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wait, BK, if you look, we smashed all my ABC targets. On the 4-hour time frame, we smashed that untested point of control from a few weeks back. We hit the ABC target, we're still above it. Same thing on the S&P. Smashed the point of control, smashed the ABC target. We look on the 30-minute charts. Straight vertical. We never took out today's point of control. We almost made it to 68, 28 and a half. Point of control up there. I mean, it's just vertical, just bink. So now just do we to go sideways all night and then into tomorrow. Maybe. I do got one micro on right now. I put an NQ on them by accident, made a few bucks. Meant to do the MQ, but I'm going to try to get out somewhere probably around 800 is where I'm going to try to get out. Again, I might go to sleep with this trade on tonight. We'll see. If it goes up higher, I'm going to DC into this trade. So we'll see how it all shakes out. To be or not to be. Oh. I had a feeling they're going to come up with a deal pretty soon. I thought it would be closer to 8 o'clock personally, but they got it right out of the gate. No, hey, you only have to subscribe to the email list once. Only one time. That is it. Taco man. Actually, I think I'm going to pick the winner from tonight's video here at 9:30 for the other channel. Pick the winner for the Take Profit Trader account. We're going to be doing another duck race tomorrow on the main channel for a Take Profit Trader account. Tonight, we're going to be giving away a Purdy account. Yeah, not touching minis tonight. Hey, so I hit one ES early on, made 10 points. I was like, yeah. And then it just kept going. I was like, son of a gun. I could have got a lot more out of it. So, hey, Bob, it's a prop firm. They have the best straight sim to funded accounts, but they are a little expensive. And they're actually looking for live traders. They're going to have a live trading desk, like brick and mortar at some point too. I think sometime this year. I'm going to show you. I'll show you these rules, why I like it. I am trading. I'll show you guys what I'm currently trading. So here it is right here. Look at the instant funding, the 100K account. I got one of these right now. Your drawdown is $3,000. Your profit target is $3,000. Then when they move you to live, that $3,000 is all your money, but do not withdraw it all. You can. If you get moved to live and you instantly withdraw all that money, you drain the account, they will ban you because they're looking for, they'll pay you your money, but they're looking for long-term traders. They're looking, you need money to be able to trade with. So if you drain your account, then you're not serious about trading. Now, if you take out, let's say 40%, 50% of your profits, and then you blow up the rest trying to trade, they said that's fine. That's okay. But they want you to be able to trade. I think it says right here, even on their website. Yeah. Qualify for our new physical trading desk launching in 2026. Right there. They also have EOD accounts. To account I'm going to be giving away right here. The EOD account has a soft breach. Daily loss limit of $1,000. Trade 5 minis, 50 micros. Profit split is a 90-10 split. So it's not bad. And essentially, if you look down here at the bottom, they show us here's the market going down. I'm trying not to think about my MQ. I'm just not thinking about it as it's going in my favor. But if you end up buying a valuation, you have to trade for a minimum of 5 days. Then you go to the sim funded where you have to trade for 10 days. Then once you're in a live funded, you get paid out every day. So if you start in a instant funded account, you're starting on step number 2. So you're paying extra money to start on step number 2. So after 10 days, you're in a live account, like real live money, orders being routed to the exchange. So if you're not serious about trading and you just want to be in a sim your whole life, might not be the fit for you. But if you're serious about trading, I think they have some of the best rules out there. And you can get daily payouts. So if you do instant funded accounts after 10 days, if you pass in 10 days, you can be moved over into a live funded account where you can get payouts daily if you choose to. You don't have to take them daily, but you have the ability to. If you guys want to check them out, there's a link in the description box down below. Or you can go to propfirmmike.com, check them out. So now I'm kind of curious real quick. Let's go look at these. These have not updated. Let's just look at how they played out today. Holy crap. We came right up here to call resistance from today on the ES. What about NASDAQ? We blew through everything. So it'll be interesting to see where the new levels are tonight. Tonight or in the morning. Yeah, hey, Eric, you can have 3 accounts. Max 3 accounts. And I asked the question, I said, hey, if I have 3 instant funded accounts and I pass them all, I'm copy trading, I pass them all, I get moved to a live account. I said, do I get 3 separate live accounts or can I combine them? They said, whatever you want to do. If you want to combine them into one account so you have more drawdown in your account, you can do that. If you want 3 separate accounts, you can keep them separate. I specifically asked that question. Talking about Perdia Capital right over here. If you like instant funding, it is a little bit more expensive, but I'm telling you, this has the best rule. Drawdown to how much you have to make ratio. So 1-to-1. 1-to-1. That's they have some of the highest pass rates in the industry too, I've been told by the insiders. So, well, if you have 3 accounts, and you made $3,000 and then you got moved to a live account, right? Live account. You had 3 accounts. That would be $9,000, 369. So you can put it all in one account and have $9,000 of drawdown. It's not a bad thing. Because remember, as traders, and this is why I picked, so recently in the Tradeify accounts, we talked about this in the morning stream. I passed all my Tradeify accounts, and now I have 150K Tradeify select accounts. This is the first time I've ever had this select account. But we talked about, we did a little poll in the morning. I said, which account should I pick? I showed the screen where it's telling me I have to pick one. Daily payouts or flex. I personally picked the flex, where it's a 5-day payout, for one simple reason. All right, let's see. Go 150K account. For one simple reason. Look at the drawdown. I get $4,500 of drawdown in this account. This account, I get $3,500. So which account will be easier to bust? It's going to be the daily. Also daily, I have a daily loss limit. I don't have to worry about that. I hope I never hit it. Would have hit it, but I don't want to have to worry about that. And I want more drawdown. So for me, I'd rather take a little bit longer to get a payout, but have more drawdown. That drawdown is more important to me than the payout, because the longer you can keep the account, the more likely you can get the payouts at some point in the future. Oh, at Perdia, the biggest account they have, I think, is a 100K account, which is one of the accounts I currently trade with right now. In this account, day one went right into drawdown with a hot mess. So I'm underwater, I think, in that account by about, I don't know. Let me go look. How much am I down in that account? I don't think it's much. I think $200 or $300, maybe. Only because I've been having a hard time as of recent. I'm down a little bit more. I'm down about $500 in that account. I'm down about 500 in that account. But I have $3,000 drawdown, so I'm not really close to hitting the bust out point yet. Yeah, hey, I agree with you 100%. I think even if you're struggling, you want to practice, like in your Sim 101 account in NinjaTrader or any other prop firm that has a Sim account, or not even prop firm, even your own brokerage account, even just a demo account that you're playing around with, trade it the way you want to trade your live account. Otherwise, those bad habits will creep in. You're like, nah, I can tell the difference. I trade them. Don't do it. Trade them exactly the same. Practice exactly how you want to trade. Otherwise, you're going to find out those bad habits you thought you can control. You're going to have a little bit of a hard time with it. It's not going to be fun. And again, I've had my, just so you guys can understand, I know a little something about being able to keep an account. Let me log in real quick. I'll show you. I'm sure it's not updated yet, but oh, I don't even have to do that. Hold on. I got the screenshot from this morning. We talked about this morning. Let me find it. Yeah, look right here. Right here from this morning. It says April 5th because it wasn't updated. I've had 134 trading days in this account. I've had multiple payouts. I've had this account since September. Have not blown it up. And there's 5 of them. Well, actually 3 of them at that time. And then there's 2 more that's like 10-day difference or 12-day difference, something like that. So, Jesse might still be out. He might be on his way home from work. Yeah, remember Jesse lives over in California. So he's probably commuting home. Or maybe he's home and he's eating dinner. I don't know. I only got 1 trade on that rally. Got 10 points on the S&P. And I could have got a lot more, but I was happy with the 10 points until I see it just keep going. Hey, Eric, I have kids. I have a kid. I have a child. No, you don't have to be a YouTuber to get more payouts. You follow the rules. Everyone has the same rules. You don't get no special treatment. Yep. Yeah, weaving in and out of traffic on the moped. Yeah, he's been sending me some moped videos lately. He's thinking about buying a new moped. We'll see if that gets him on the stream. Gotta love the algos. Hey, they pushed it up. Hey, they pushed up. There goes Jesse. I knew it. I knew the moped would get him in there. Oh, man. Nah, Trade of Eight's not down. I traded on Trade of Eight today, tonight. It's not down. So it's all good. Hey, Jesse, they're wondering if you're coming on stream tonight or not. People in Lucid Discord saying it was down. It was down the other day, but only for a short period of time. I don't know, half hour-ish, maybe. All right, Jesse says he's going to come on. Hey, so, hey, what model moped did you decide on? A knife to a gunfight? And they had issues? Hey, Eric, I didn't have no issues with Lucid tonight. I had no issues with my Lucid accounts. You're an expert at it? Hey, Bob, I bet you can't go in the market right now and lose a bunch of money. You'll find it's a little bit harder than you think. You'll end up being rich. Oh, I hear him just keep on. Doot, 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 doot. Yeah, I've done one NQ on stream on accident. I meant to do MNQ. Got out of that for just a few bucks, and now I'm in this MNQ. Trying just to let it go. Trying to let it do its thing. Again, I'll probably end up going to bed with this trade. The question is, how many contracts will I have at that point? How is Take Profit Trader? I love Take Profit Trader. I think Take Profit Trader has the best payout policy in the business. Period. Hey, on the main. Hey, so actually, what time is it? I'm going to go pick the winner. I'm going to pick the winner from tonight's video for a Take Profit Trader account. So if you guys or subscribe to the main channel, you guys, if you guys watch the video tonight, you guys know what we're looking for. Let's see. All right, let me pick the picker. Let's pick the picker. TPT. Use code. Like. Pick winner. I don't even think this is a real name. All right. Let's see if this I'm going to look him up on the email. Let's see if I can find him. Oh, you know what? I see what the name is. I think it's Venomous. Venomous. Oh, yeah. 5 is an S. 3 is, I think that's what it is. All right, let me go see. That's who won out of the video tonight. And let me see if I can find him on the email list. RCH. On the email list. Son of a gun. Huh. All right, let me send them an email. Let's see if they answer the email. Pose. "24 hours to respond." All right, let's see. Can I bold that? a line under it. All right, you have 24 hours to respond. All right. Micro back underwater. But again, it's probably gonna be a lot of this back and forth, back and forth. All right, I just sent it to him. With another TPT. Oh man, that stinks. That's not fun. Blown accounts is never fun. I am curious though, before I put this post on YouTube, what is HSI is up 691, up 2.57%. Nikkei's up 4.77%. But again, the market's just hanging out up here, chilling. Come over, look at crude oil real quick. All right, they're gonna try to put me underwater, but that's fine. All right, let me go make a little graphic so I can post this on the community tab as well. Unless they just email me back, that'd be great. Paste. Winner. Boom. Share. Download. All right. Well, I just want to get this posted in the community section of the main channel. That way, they know that way, and I send them an email. Great post. Paste. Image. Oh, they're still trying to go. All right. Post. Bam. All right, it's posted. It's posted. Let's see how long it takes them to respond back. Let's see if we get a response while I'm on stream tonight. Yeah, I have Bookmap. Bookmap with Market Pulse right over here. See, more aggressive buyers than there are sellers. Okay, where'd that go? And we do have a little bit of liquidity we're coming up to on the ES. Right around that 68.20, we have 435 contracts. Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah, I might hold this one overnight. I will hold this one overnight. And I do plan to add, so I'll probably stage a couple of the orders on it. That might be good, might be bad. I'm going to try a target somewhere around 800-ish is what I'm thinking. If we were to pull a fib, just to put this in perspective, we pull a fib from the low of today all the way up to the high, at least the current high. Look, 500 is a 50% retracement. 663 is a 38% retracement. So I'm not even trying to go down to there. I'm trying to go like right here, right in this area up in here. So we'll see tonight, tomorrow, in the morning. Hey, Chris, what's up? What's up? Hey, Chris, who's in the chat? I must have missed it in the comment. Hey, Spaces, good evening. Oh, is Venomous in the chat tonight? Oh, man, you are. Hey, I just sent you out an email. Hey, I just sent your email. Oh, man, check your email. Let me go see if I got it. I did. Nice. Nice. Hey, Venomous. So I'm going to send it in the morning after we do the duck race on the main channel because my contact isn't going to be at Take Profit Trader right now. So tomorrow after we do the duck race, I'm going to send the email with the winner from the duck race and yours together. And I'll email you as soon as they notify me, let me know that it's been transferred over to you. That's awesome, man. That was the fastest one on a video I think we've ever done. Oh man, loving it. Loving it. Nice. Yeah, hey, Hey, Bob, I don't always see everything in the chat, obviously. That's funny. But tomorrow we're going to be doing a duck race as well. Tonight we're going to be doing duck race for that Pretty account. Which again, if you guys like instant funded accounts, I think that's the best account. Out of all the instant funded programs, I think this one right here is the best. $3,000 is the drawdown. $3,000 is the profit target. Craziness. Craziness. Right now you can get it for 20% off. Use code Mike. Links in the description box down below. Let's see any more news coming out. Currently down on my trade. But that's fine. I'm not down much. How do you join the duck race? You have to be signed up to the email list down below, which is not too late to do it. We'll probably do the duck race depending on how the market's moving, 10 to 10:30 ish. And once you're signed up to the email list, make sure your email is confirmed. And then I'm going to give out a key phrase in the and you guys are going to type into the chat. Nightbot will pick out random winners, which is some automated thing. Nightbot's not a person, even though sometimes Nightbot might think that he is. So, well, one is so I can reach out to you with any prop firm deals or videos that I drop that might be helpful. Two, so I can confirm who won and get them the right gift. So when I was giving out $100 bills, I was PayPaling people $100 cash. I got scammed out of $100. Somebody changed the like one little letter and made it look just like it. So that giveaway cost me $200. So I said, all right, we're going to find a way around that. And that was right around Christmas time too. So it kind of stinks when people try to scam you. You know, you're trying to do a good thing and they try to scam you. Not fun. So I did send the real winner. He's like, hey, I didn't get my money. I was like, I already sent it to you. He goes, oh, that's not me. Look, I was like, son of a gun. So it is what it is. Hey, Bob, have a good night. See you in the morning. So, but also when the duck wins, I can, on the email list as a place to put the YouTube username that you use on my streams. I don't care if you have 10,000 YouTube names, whichever one you use on my streams. That way we can look at the duck and say that duck belongs to that email. Get the information. I don't want you putting personal information out on the stream. Put your email address out there and everyone will be blowing up your email. Bitcoin going to 68K? Maybe. Hey, so if we look, hey, Paul, it's actually different. Depends on which Apex account that you picked. We talked about that this morning on the live stream, and that's something new with their new sale. So Apex is 90% off. Yeah, 90% off, but you want to look at this whenever you buy a new account. And again, actually, let me show you guys something real quick. Let me make sure. I think it's already updated. Let's see. Yeah, so if we come right over here, you can scroll down to the bottom. If you're looking at different accounts, EOD or intraday is always going to have cheaper activation fees. 25K accounts, $89. 150K account is going to be $139. But one thing you can always do, jump right over to my website, go to propfirmmike.com, go right up here to the prop firm. Let's say you want to go to Apex, and look, you can sort by you can sort by account size. You can also sort by the fee. All right. Oh, no, you can't sort this one by the fee. You can on the main page. Hold on. Let me go back. Let's go back. We'll go back to the home. You go right here to challenges, 50K account. And let's see. We're going to do EOD drawdown. And let's look at something real quick. We're going to go to true cost. You always want to sort by true cost if you're worried about price. So if we double click on true, oops, I did it too many times. If you double click on true cost right there, scroll on down for the 50K account. Let's see. It's not the cheapest. All right. You can see it's down here for the EOD account. It's down there. However, if we look at maybe a 150K account, let's see where that ranks, because the different size accounts could be different. Apex is kind of middle of the pack with that sale right there in terms of price wise. But the one thing that Apex has that a lot of other prop firms don't have, you can get 20 accounts. 20 accounts can multiply your potential payouts. So you got to weigh that in. What are you trying to do? You're looking for the cheapest account, or you're looking for the biggest potential payouts? I say potential because getting payouts is not easy. Not easy. I want you guys to think that for 1 minute. Trading is very difficult. Very, very difficult. Man, I've just been going sideways in this trade. Need some Doritos? Oh boy. Dorito. So I hear a little bit of chirping. I still chirp. I hear the chirping going. No more locking him out. I didn't lock Jesse out. I'm trying to talk him into locking himself out once he's happy with the P&L for the day. Bad things happen if you're happy with however much money you made for the day, or maybe you're okay with, hey, I lost X amount of dollars today. That lockout feature can stop you from doing crazy things later on. So Trim Trader says, get some rest. Hey, Trim Trader, we got plenty of time to sleep when we're dead. Plenty of time to sleep. Gigantic head and shoulders. Yeah, I hear him chirping quite a bit. I don't know. You can make the case left shoulder head, right shoulder. Maybe you're on a different time frame chart though. I'm kind of curious though. Hey, look at this range. Don't look like much. That's 59 points. 59 points. So I'm down $32 in this trade. Notice I'm a little bit fearful tonight. I know my default. I want to short the market. That's why I am not trading the minis right now. Yeah, I have a video on the regression channel. Actually, on this channel, I believe. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Let me find it. I'll drop it in the video chat. I don't think it got very many views either. Let's see. Is it that long ago? Oh, there it is. Hey, here's the link for that video. There's a link for the video. So we got the NASDAQ still trying to push on up, trying to go up there and take out the highs. Yes, where's the yes at in relations to the highs? Yes, might have pushed new session highs. If not, close to it. Especially, I used to have a lot of problems with Spectrum Internet. Then the guy really ticked me off. Sometimes in the morning, I would have like 3 to 5 megabytes for the download speed and stuff. I'm like, oh, forget this mess. So I called him up. And they found a squirrel chewed the wire on the back line of the pole. They fixed it. It worked for about a year and a half. Had the same problem again. Call a guy out here. He's like, I don't see nothing. Yada, yada, yada. I'm going to put some metering device on your thing. So when it happens, we'll find out. All right. So it happens. I call him up. I was like, hey, need you to check the metering thing? Da, da, da. Like, what are you talking about? They said they're going to monitor my neighbor's internet and all that. See if it's just me or if it's the node or something in the area. They said, we don't do that. I was like, I'm done. I left them as soon as that was over. Called up Verizon. Ended up getting Fios, and that's been the most reliable internet I've had until the pool people cut right through the wire. So my target, I'm going to look the target. I want to get more contracts on this, but I'm looking to target right around 800. 800-ish, somewhere in this ballpark. So I'll put targets in before I go to bed tonight. So we'll see. Let's see. And again, it's only micros. Micros can still get out of control on you too. But it's only micros. How bad can it really hurt? Final, famous last words. Because at some point we should get a pullback now. Do we blast up higher? Maybe. I would actually say probably. But that's why I only started with one micro, not two. We haven't hit the VWAP all night. We gapped up and just took off away from it. No, price action is not telling me to short. It's my gut instinct. Whenever we have a straight move up, so tonight we've already had a range of 752 points. At some point, we'll get a pullback. I'm trying to play the pullback. Minor pullback, if we don't go any higher, would be right here at 663, with 38% retracement. We go higher, we'll just simply grab the fib and move it up. And maybe we keep moving up until that fib finally is going to be near the 800 price point as well. Maybe. That I don't know. We will see though. But I'm hoping to get more contracts on this before I go to bed. Look, if my average price is 82, let's just say say and get another contract on this. This goes right there, 282 points. Let's just do the math on what that would be. Again, trade I'm not really that worried about. 282 times 2. One contract would be $564. If I get a second contract on, I get anything around that in terms of points, we can just times that by 2. That'd be an $1,100 trade. That's nothing. Nothing. All we need is for some more projectiles to be fired and, you know, threaten the ceasefire, and we'll have a quick little knee jerk down, and then we'll see if they bid it back up. Yeah, remember, normally ceasefires just don't go smooth. Usually there's another day or two skirmish that breaks out. And we'll see if that happens again or not. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Yeah, and it's very low volume. So the move went up on basically no volume. Look at the profile, for example. Look, you can't even see the profile being built out. Like, there's nothing. Nothing. Big old gaps in the profile. Even on the ES, which has more volume. On this candle right here, there's nothing. No, I don't see anything for the volume profile. No, I don't want 2 NQs. No, thank you. I'm good. I won't be able to sleep with that trade on. With 2 NQs, I'll have nightmares. I'll have nightmares about it. Market just kept going and going and going and going. Now I'm calling up boss man. Hey, can I just get my job back, please? I know I've been gone for a while, but ran into some tough times. I don't want to go through that. No, thank you. So we'll see. We shall see. Again, notice I'm not in a hurry to add to this trade. Yes, I want more contracts on it, but I'm not in a hurry. I'm just fine and dandy where we're at. Wants to take a sweet old time? Hey, let's go. What happened? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. What's up? I'll be better if this market goes down. I'm only 1 micro deep. I'm only $15 down. I've only done 2 trades on stream. One was the NQ on accident. I meant to do an MNQ. Then I made just a few dollars on it. I didn't make much. Did not make much on it. Every time he extended, it was a bearish day. I don't know. The market's pretty amped up about it right now. But again, we still got London coming on tonight as well, or in the morning. So we'll see how they handle everything as well. Yeah. Let them keep launching projectiles at Israel. Then Israel says, all right, we're going after the infrastructure. Here we go. Israel does its own little pop shots. Oh, I think they said we're going to lift the things too. What is that? Nightbot's on it. All right. Boop. There you go. $25,000, $300-ish. Hey, if we go up, I will be adding to it. If I looked at the daily charts, yeah, a little bit. Just look at it. Let's go look at the ES real quick. Kind of funny, all the targets I talked about in tonight's video already got smashed. Yeah, look, big bullish candle on the way up. I even warned about it in today's video. I said, watch out. A lot of people are going to look at this as a hanging man candle. Unless we break below it, I wouldn't look at that. I think we're going to still try to push up. And push up we have. Now we're at the 61.8 on the daily. Do we reject back down? Or do we go back up towards the 786 where this high volume is, which will put us in the upper level consolidation, not too far away from all-time highs? Your ball's deep in some shorts. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. It's funny. I need to get a little bit more of a pullback. I'm still down $21 in this trade. And again, on all the movement happened before he came on stream. We had a big rocket ship up going sideways. We'll see what happens. Everyone is short, which is going to be liquidity. Hey, very well could be. Very well could be. I've been trying to go long the last few days. I've been more on the long side. Even this morning on the stream, I was long side, long side, long side. Ran over, ran over, ran over. Then I get a good trade, then get a bunch of paper cuts again. Should I be trading ever? Hey, Raj, it's got to come back down, right? It's got to. Can't go up forever. Or so they say. Oh, man. I wouldn't mind putting getting another decent mini trade off, but I just don't like where the market is right now for that. Nice little 9 count there on the ES. Got a small little pullback. NASDAQ, we got the regression channel facing up. Matter of time to get a reversal. Top of the regression channel on the daily. I mean, they did some damage to the shorts tonight. Anybody that was short going into the close thinking that you know, Trump was going to go ahead and follow through. They're not in a good spot right now. They are not happy camper. Well, you know, if oil prices can actually come down, which they did tonight, oil prices come down, that's going to be bullish for stocks. Yeah, someone linked it. Well, later in the day, Pakistan came out trying to, you know, come up with a 10-day ceasefire or something. I got the markets going up a little bit this afternoon. Call trade. Maybe they might have been. And I might get a chance to add this bad boy. Yeah, the market moved. Hey, so NASDAQ right now is at a 754 point range. S&P 166 point range. It's crazy. So it's nuts. We're going to do a duck race here shortly. Let's go look real quick. If we break above that high, do I maybe want to take a little short? I don't know. I don't have it clear. We do have a trade detector bubble up there. We do have a trade detector bubble right up here. Yeah, smash that lucky like button, guys and gals. We're going to do a giveaway here shortly. Perdia 50K EOD account. If you guys want a shot to win. Look, we have the trade detector bubble. I didn't feel good enough about smashing it. I chickened out. What I'm worried about, I don't want to get down and start chasing the P&L is what I'm worried about. Don't want that to happen. And it shows there in the red bubble. And look, we did get a reaction. We hit the high, broke the high by just a couple ticks. Came down, we had the red trade detector bubble right up there. I wasn't willing to take it though. You see the market's moving very, you can tell it's light volume right now. People are like, hey, is this for real? Is this really for real? Yeah, I was hoping the gas shortage. Hey, Ron, I was hoping the gas shortage wasn't going to affect my trip to Costa Rica. No, my ticket's already booked. I was worried about running out of fuel. And they're canceling it on me. So back in 2020, I had trip booked to Costa Rica. It was like 3 days before my flight. They shut down the whole country. And I couldn't go. I was so upset. I was in the best shape in forever for that trip. And yeah, I don't think I have to pay that. I got extra baggage with mine because of the ticket I have. Well, I'm all set as long as they don't run out of jet fuel. I was hearing about some of the European countries rationing air flights. I'm like, oh boy, don't do this to me. Yeah, I doubt they will, but I was hoping. At least if I get stuck, let me get stuck down there. That'd be all right. So. You want to fly now? It's scary. I mean, the good thing about it, if the plane gets in the air, it's guaranteed to come down. You are guaranteed to land. I'll take you to Costa Rica. I'm actually going by myself. I tried to get all my friends to go, but man, they got stuff to get. They got stuff to do. Well, one friend just switched jobs, so he couldn't go. That stunk. I was hoping he was gonna be able to go, but he just switched jobs and he can't get time off. Everybody's just got a lot of stuff going on. So I'm just gonna go by myself. When I'm not surfing, I'll be streaming and trading. I'm gonna get Starlink, which I gotta buy Starlink. What's the date? I'm trying to wait. Trying to wait to the end of this month to buy Starlink so it comes in and I get it. Hopefully I don't mess it up. No air traffic controllers. Well, no, I'm trying to, because I'm only gonna pay for the first month, and then I'll just put it on standby until I need it. Until I go on. We're gonna go up in the mountains later on. Then I'll take it up there. I'll turn the service back on. So I don't want to pay for the service for a month. I'm not going to use it. I'm thinking we'll see. Look for flights to Vietnam and Cambodia. Huh. It's JD. Hey JD, what do you say? You don't want to wax? You don't wax? You don't want to wax the boards? Yeah, about 1 week out. Yeah. So I'm trying to time it. I'll buy it a little bit further ahead, but I don't know. And it'll be way better than the hotspot I have here for when my internet goes bad. Had the Starlink backup. That'd be pretty solid. Never used it, but people in the chat in the New York section say, you gotta get it. You gotta get it. Let's see. Down about $40. Not enough for me to add to this trade yet. And I'll probably stage an order overnight. And I'll just do it with I'll stage it with an ATM strategy, so that way if it hits, I have an ATM on it. A Waxman servant. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's getting deep. It's getting deep. No, I've never been to I can't say never. I haven't been to a hockey game since I was a kid. But I do watch hockey sometime in the playoffs. Sometimes. I've been to Lightning Stadium, just not for hockey. 3K and up. Yeah, tickets are pretty expensive. Mankini. Oh boy. Hmm. $1 million investment for Austin. Trying to look at. Supposed to be have one. Let's see. Don't they have any dates on it yet? I think that's where it was. Yeah, I still don't see a date. They need to hurt and get it done. I love the surf and a wave pool. You don't have to worry about sharks and alligators and crocodiles, all that fun stuff. But man, it's a slow market. Slow market. Hey, so let's get started on the duck race. Let's do the little ducky ducks. Quack, quack, quack. So let me get Nightbot all set up. Get the duck race set up. See if we can give away that Perdia account. And see if you guys can turn that into real money. Somebody tell JD what a mankini is. Oh boy. I got pulled. There we go. Nightbot. Dashboard. Let's do the giveaway keyword. So let's see. Hey, JWN, wrong code, excluded. I'm gonna put you in timeout for 5 minutes so you can't participate. Oh man. All right, let's do this. And I didn't really put you in timeout. Would be funny though. Whoa. I gotta change it. Okay. I'm gonna change the code. Let's see. All right. Are you guys ready? On your marks. Get set. I'm gonna drop the code now. Bam. There you go. Let's see. Type the code in the chat. Remember, you gotta be signed up to the email list down below. And your email's got to be confirmed. Otherwise, you simply forfeit. All right. So the first ducky. Oops. Oh, man, this is really horrible here. There you go. Let's pick the next ducky in the race. I have a hard time seeing anything on that screen. All right. Let's pick duck number 3. Duck number 4. Man, what a slow night out here tonight. Slow night, slow night, slow night. All right, number 5 is going to be Tris. Number 6 is going to be Apple. Let's go, let's go. Next one's going to be Robert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. All right, next one is going to be you. I think you were in it last night. Like you were in last night. Next one is going to be Linda and Q. Last but not least, bam, Mr. Zone 1982. Remember, the winner, if you guys win, you got to be signed up to the email list down below. Otherwise, you will simply forfeit. Uh-oh, we're still trying to go higher. Still trying to go higher. Well, you get a chance to add. I'll turn on the AC in here. That's why schedule kicked on. All right, all right, all right. Let's go. Make sure nothing is obstructing. We'll do the 1 minute sprint. 1 minute. All right. On your marks. Get set. Beep. Uh-oh. The Donald's trying to get out in the lead. Well, let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh. Who's going to win the race? Who is going to be the winner? Chris says number 4. Been giving your duck Red Bull. Hopefully it's an acceptable amount. Otherwise, you know, when we do the test, it might fail. Oh, I think number 3. I don't know. The Dom was coming back pretty strong too. Number 3 is going to be the winner. Number 3. All right. Hey, what's the first 3 letters of the email you signed up under? And then let's see if I can go ahead and locate you. Let's see. Wow, that was quick. Man. All right, let's see. DBA. I got you. All right, give me a second. And we'll get the email all situated. Still down on that micro. Good thing it's a micro, not... I love it when it's easy to find the people on the email list. Easy peasy. Let's see. Hey, so if you've never had an account with Perdia, go over there. There's a link in the description box down below. Actually, I probably get the link for you. Actually, go to this link right here. Sign up. Create a username and email. A username and password. There we go. And that way I can help get your account transferred over for you. All right, what's going on here? And we got the winner. I do kindly suggest that you respond back sooner rather than later. That way I don't forget about it. All right, email's been sent to you. Email has been sent. Well, I've been sitting underwater in this trade almost all night. Not a whole lot. Will it be able to come down a little bit? What's going on there? That's weird. Alrighty. Yeah, CL's just hovering right around that 96. Nah, it's an eval. So the account that we just gave away, and we're gonna be giving away one account every day this week and next week, probably the week after that, and maybe the week after that. But it's gonna be this one right here, the EOD account. The account that I'm trading right now is the 100K instant funded account. So let's see. I think Jesse said he's ready to come on. He just texted me. Let's see. I don't see him. Dang it, keeps changing it. There we go. Hey, Raj, have a good night. But yeah, I'm going to put my first target right around 800. I'm going to stage other orders above us before I go to bed tonight. Probably before I jump off the stream as well. So let's do this. There we go. Well, let's see. Past your bedtime? I'm just sitting here watching paint dry. I'm glad at least the emotions aren't nearly as bad because it's only a micro. So it's pretty easy to keep it at bay. Pretty easy. Yeah, it probably is, Raphael. I think the sale that Perdia has right now is on the instant funded accounts. Yeah, they have the 50K instant funded is $200 off. The 100K instant funded is 20% off. And I don't think there's a sale on the EOD accounts at the moment. Again, if you guys want to check them out, link in the description box down below. Use code Mike. Again, if you want to trade an actual live account, I think they have some of the best rules out there. I've been told they have one of the highest pass rates in the industry for passing evals too. Doot, 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 doot. Japan welcomes U.S. ceasefire agreement. I think Jesse said he was ready to come on. Oh, sweet. Let me go ahead and send the email real quick. The winner already emailed me back. Loving it. Love it, love it, love it. Oops. Oops. All right, I already forwarded your information over to Perdia. What is a clicky click? It's a part of Bookmap. It's called Market Pulse. We can see the difference. It's correlated with the ES and the NQ. When it goes above 81, you'll hear it chirping. Below negative 81, you'll hear a knocking noise at the pace in which the orders are hitting the tape. All right, Jesse says he's on. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Hey, Jesse, hear me?
What's up, everybody? All right, so you're in, is that a micro short? Oh, I don't think they're hearing you. I think you muted yourself somehow.
All right, perfect. I just gave out another secret code, so anybody that got it, you get free accounts. Anybody that was able to read the lips, go ahead and figure out which prop firm it was and put that code in. Guaranteed to get a free account.
All right, we got it. We got it, folks. Oh
man.
You sound a lot better than me, though. Are you purposely putting filters on me or something?
No, I have no filter. Not that I'm aware of. I got filters on me.
Yeah.
I think I do. Let me see.
It was code Mankini, says Apple.
Mankini, what number's behind it, though?
Oh, boy.
Oh, boy. There might have been a 6 in it. I'm just saying.
So look at this tight little range. It's winding up right up here at the highs, huh?
I know. Are we going to break out? All right, what's your thoughts? Break up or break down?
Dude, I mean, being up this much, I mean, 700 plus points, the only direction it can go is down, in my opinion.
Okay, but is that what everybody else is thinking too? And they're going to try to short it, then it's just going to push the market higher.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Whew.
I mean, because they're definitely, everybody's wanting to get it. Yeah, take profit trader, use code Mike. I do appreciate that.
I don't get how how easily the algos and retail traders can get fooled, us included, like on a big rip up like this, just because maybe they're gonna be a ceasefire.
No, there is. They have a ceasefire.
All the while, yeah, but they're still firing missiles.
Yeah, but they said the word ceasefire.
I know. The algos are looking for that word, and that's it. Crazy.
Apple still needs some help.
Little soccer, little football.
Hey, Dow's up 996 points right now.
I know, it's crazy. Did you see silver? Silver up 6.45%.
Oh no, I didn't look at silver. Tops that banned everybody from trading equity like ES, NASDAQ, metals, crude oil. So due to volatility.
Crazy.
They're protecting us. So I think that's, again, everything's just hanging out here near the highs. Nikkei is up 2,600 points. It's about to go to lunch though.
Yeah, the YM right now, 994 points. That's crazy.
Yep. I'm going to add another micro to this. I'm going to stage an order. I'm going to put it with the ATM and put the target roughly where my one is now. So if it spikes up during London, hopefully I wake up and target's filled. That'd be great. So.
Yeah, that'd be nice. So let me look at your chart. Where are you targeting?
Where's
that on a volume profile? Well, we don't have much of a volume profile.
No, you can't see them. That's messed up. Anybody that doesn't have volume profile, look, here's, you can't even see it.
There's nothing.
Hey, look, the 38% retracement right now is at 663. If we bust higher, we'll have to grab that and move it up a little bit, but that's nothing. I'm trying to get out 800-ish. So
Yeah.
I'm being pretty conservative with my target, I feel.
What about that 23.6?
Forget that 23.6. Forget it.
Oh, man.
I despise it. Despise it. So any more trades for you tonight, or are you done?
No, I've been trading a little bit here and there. I actually traded the ES twice, which was surprising, but it was moving. So
It seemed pretty slow to me. Everything seems slow so far.
yeah. So you know what's funny is I'm at 21.12, which is what I did. What was that? Sunday night, Monday morning,
Yeah.
and then friggin' gave it all back and blew up this morning like an idiot.
It's easy to do.
I know.
Easy to do. I had a hard time this morning too. Anybody that was on the stream saw it. I kept trying to go long. I took a short, got stopped, and the market went down. Then I started trying to buy it, and a whole bunch of paper cuts. I get a decent win. Whole bunch of paper cuts, decent win. I was just like going up to high water mark, boom, back down to low water mark, back up to the high water mark, back down to low water mark, up and down, up and down.
Similar. I think I took 3 or 4 losers and it set me off. Went into what you I think what you would call tilt. Revenge trading, broke all my rules and smashed buttons, and that didn't end well.
Get friendly with Trump and give us, instead of accounts, give us a 700-point tip. I have been, hey, so if you think about it, I've been screaming about this, even in Sunday's video. Go back and watch Sunday's video. I've been talking about this ABC pattern on the way up, even from tonight's close. From the close tonight, that ABC target, that was 660 points. I even talked about it in tonight's video before the markets reopened. I talked about it over the weekend. So
TTM squeeze. Yeah, you're right. We were in that squeeze. It just broke to the downside. Now, with the futures, though, the TTM squeeze, the first break could actually be the fake out when you're trading futures with that thing. So,
hey, you talking about the indicator TTM squeeze?
mm-hmm.
I had that for TradeStation. Didn't work good for me.
I had it on Thinkorswim, and then when I switched over to Ninja Trader, I found it. It's available on Ninja for free.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, but what I found with
future,
it works good on stocks, or it did for me, but on futures do those little fake breakouts just to get people, right? And so oftentimes it'll, you know how it'll, like, you'll go into like a squeeze in the futures like we just did, right? And it'll just break to the downside, hit a bunch of stops, and then rip up like it's doing right now. So the TTM squeeze will trick you on futures. At least me, anyways. It'll trick me, so I don't use it.
We're about to break new highs.
There it goes. Yeah,
We might have just did it. Hold on, let's see. Not yet. We're getting close. Close. Yeah, someone say ceasefire again. Trump says he tells AFP that he believes China calls Iran to negotiate.
Yeah, I'm not going to trade anymore, though, because I was still breaking rules. I feel like I'm still in that gotta get it back mode from my mishap this morning. So
that's a dangerous mode.
I'm just lucky to be green. It's like I was trading 2 contracts at a time instead of 1. Just like, gotta try to get back what I had Sunday, like an idiot.
Yeah, it gets pretty sketchy sometimes.
It's like a mental win, even though I lost 2 days of trading plus $500 to reset the accounts. So it's like, am I really getting back to where I was Sunday night, Monday morning? No.
So we're up 166 point range on the ES.
That's crazy.
How much more? How big's the range going to be tomorrow?
Yeah, I mean, it's got to come back down to reality tomorrow, I would think.
I think we still stay up.
I personally do not believe the ceasefire is a real deal. I think I think this is a fake out, a big one.
Well, they got a lot of people.
Yeah, not financial advice, of course. For your entertainment pleasure only, folks. Hey, congrats on the duck race, by the way. Somebody's got themselves a new Perdia account. Let's go.
Yep, already. Yeah, I'm just scrolling through the news articles.
Yeah, anything crazy? No.
Iran declares victory.
I don't know. I would just like to draw everybody's attention to, I don't remember how many months ago it was, but remember there was a ceasefire, apparently, right? And then we just swooped in and started dropping bombs. So
Yeah.
that's the way Trump likes to roll, you know, catch them off guard. Now, if we wake up tomorrow and they let a bunch of ships through and oil's flowing and everything's good, okay, all right, we're off to the races. Then I would believe it. But,
Hey, they said in the agreement that they get to charge $2 million per ship to go through.
Whatever. I mean, hey, if people are willing to pay that and they let the ships go through, then that's a win. That's a win.
Oh, forget that mess. Forget that mess.
Big Bear Carlos, Taco Tuesday. Yeah, Trump always creating opportunity.
Lots of opportunity if you're long. Not so much on the sell side.
Oh, I totally FOMO'd. Hey, Mike was telling the story earlier. He forgot the part that he was texting me every 5 minutes as the NASDAQ, every 100 points. He was like, another 100 points, another 100 points, another. Every 5 minutes I was stuck at work. I rush home super quick. FOMO'd in.
Yeah, that's bad. We'll see the 2-week ceasefire if it produces a meaningful or not. Meaningful, stop to the war, or we're just gonna start it back up again. I don't know.
Apple wants to see us at 23,950. Woo, that's down there.
I don't know if we're getting that tomorrow. If we get that, that's because ceasefire is not working.
Hey, Gio, I think $2 million per ship is pretty minimal. I would guess. I mean, I'm just comparing it to like the Panama Canal, for example.
How much does it cost to go through Panama?
I think it's up there.
Let's go look.
I mean, I don't know, but seems to me like a ship can hold a lot of oil, and $2 million is a small tax to pay on that, I think.
Small vessels and yachts, $2,100. What about the
21? Let's talk about giant container ships. It's got to be up there.
It says it can be over 1 million.
Yeah.
Ships having a fixed fee, it's 300,000. 300,000 versus 2 million. That's a big difference.
Yeah.
And that's actually going through their country. Like they cut it through their country. Like that makes, I can see that. This is a little bit different. That's where I have a problem. What about people on the other side of it? They just lose any rights to that water?
Well, I think the idea is, again, this is warfare, right? I think the idea is get them to agree to something, get the ships flowing, pay the money, who cares? And then war ain't over, folks. I think that then the next step is like, okay, now how do we stop the $2 million bleed? It's going to come in phases, I would guess.
I don't know. Yeah, oil keeps flowing. Still think a rug pull is coming, not me. I think my 800 is not going to be an easy task to even get down there. I hope it hits. If not, I mean, we'll see tomorrow on the stream.
Yeah, I think you'll be surprised. I think it's going to.
If I wake up. Go ahead.
See that big giant wick over there to the left on your
Yeah,
chart?
right here.
I think that we get 50% of that wick back. That's my guess. What price would that be?
That's only 25,050-ish.
Hold on, let me make my screen bigger.
That's only 30 points. That's only 30 points down from my
20,
entry.
No. I'm looking on your chart on the right. I'm talking about
this wick here.
24,500-ish is what I think we reclaim.
So hold on.
Back to almost the gap. That's what I'm thinking.
It's between the 50 and 61.8 fib.
Yeah.
Assuming we don't go much higher. I don't know. I don't think we make it down that far tomorrow. I don't.
Because that would be like the fake out gap fill.
We filled it. We filled the gap. That little wick. Right here, we filled it.
Yeah, but I mean like during New York.
Yeah, the gap wasn't created in New York.
Yeah, but they start heading down there, get everybody thinking, woohoo, we're gonna go fill that gap, and then nothing.
I don't know. I know in history, when we get these big friggin' moves, my gut instinct is I want to fade it. I get ran right the F over all day.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that I learn from it, but I mean, we'll see tomorrow. If I can if I can get 2 contracts on this trade and it goes down and hits target, that could be $1,100 trade for me. 2 micros. That's crazy. 2 micros. 11 hundo. So
it might not go hit your other micro though, right?
Yeah, I don't even have it staged yet.
Yeah.
Maybe I just put it on and say F it. Like, I don't know. I really want, I mean, because I wanted to, but I just was scared of a little bit more of a squeeze just in case. So I pulled back on that a little bit. But I got that $1,100 in my head. Just, Mike, come get me. Put me in the pocket. Put me in your pocket. Let's go to the bank. So I got to be mindful of that too. Got to be mindful.
Oh, so Coop says the average super tanker capacity is 2 million barrels. So a fee of $2 million is only $1 a barrel, right? So where's crude right now? 96? Yeah, I mean, we could look $1 a barrel. We can drop the price $30 a barrel.
Yeah, but what about when they adjust for inflation? Now they want 4, 5, 10, 20, 30.
No.
100.
The phase 2 is to get rid of that fee for sure. For sure.
I don't think they should be able to collect the fee. I say no to the fee.
Even if it ends a war? Come on, dude.
Nah.
No?
Nah. They're not in a position of strength.
Mike's brutal.
No. If it was going through their country, yes. It's not going through their country. There's other countries around there. Because then everybody in the whole area is going to want, well, hey, it went past, I've seen it go past on the water. You give me some money too.
Yeah.
They're not doing,
it
they're not
does
doing
set
anything
a
for
bad
it.
precedent. I agree with all that, but my take on is, hey, if it gives us a temporary end and then a sneak attack later.
No. Oh, you just got to fix it all at one time. Going back isn't going to be good.
Yeah, lumps. You're right. That's what I'm thinking. You know, give them the money. Let them think everything's cool.
No, because
then
they get a chance.
Uranium.
Yeah, but what are they going to do with all that money? They're going to race to try to get a bomb.
Yeah, I don't know.
Think about it. If they still have that enriched uranium.
No, we got to go in and get that. That's got to.
They're not going to give that up. They're not going to give that up.
Oh, they got it.
They're not going to.
Well, then let the bombs commence and you're going to get your target tomorrow morning.
It won't be tomorrow because they'll drag it out for 10 days or whatever. Because now they can move around. They don't have to worry about things coming out of the sky. I don't know how those people over there can function. Driving down the road, like, oh, wow, look, there's another one. Poof.
Crazy.
And they're filming on their phones. Like, that's nuts.
I did see some news earlier. I think it was on the juice that some people were injured in somewhere because of a missile was what was that? Let me see.
Yeah, what about UAE? They're gonna charge. Each country need to get 2 million. Like, how's that work? You know what I'm saying? It's not like it. Like, Panama goes right through Panama. I get that. That makes more sense to me. But
I can't scroll that far on the juice. But anyways, a missile was intercepted and parts, I guess, fell on a house and injured some people.
I don't know. I say during this 10-day when they're not going to do nothing, let's go park all the naval ships right there right there in the straits. Let's park them up.
Hey, so Spot Camas quietly announced that their trace tool is going to move from 10-minute updates to 1-minute updates. That's pretty cool. I'm going to sign up for this this launch event here.
I'm trying to remember what the trace was.
That's the one that updates every 10 minutes. It has all the GEX levels and all that, and the gamma exposure, kind of a gradient map. Updates every 10 minutes.
Yeah, do you like that better than the one you're currently using? Fall signals?
Oh, they have a different approach. It's almost like I want both, but boy, that's a lot of money. I like vol signals approach to it is that they only show you the market by default. You can turn on all gamma exposure, but by default they only show you the market makers exposure, because their theory is that the market makers are the only ones that are hedging in the futures, or the only ones that can hedge heavy enough to affect the actual market.
20 million. Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, it makes sense to me. I like their approach, but some of the spot gamma stuff I like better. So
20 million barrels pass through the straits per day, or at least they used to. They haven't been passing through in a while.
So if you do the math, if they're collecting $1 a barrel, that's $20 million a day they'll be collecting, right? That's a lot of money.
That's what I'm saying. You have a chance to rebuild everything.
I'd like to own a straight.
Build back better.
Let's see here.
You'd ask for more? 6T a year. I've been stuck in this. I've been down 20 to 40 bucks almost all night in this one micro. Yeah, international straight.
Hold on. What's JW saying? What am I missing, JW? You talking about spot gamma? Or are you talking about vol signals? Hold on. I missed.
I think he's talking about vol signals.
Oh, yeah.
I think he said something earlier about that. About vol signals.
I mean, I know that those guys are working on improvements and new features and stuff all the time too. So it's kind of tricky. I mean, I've had both. I've got both. I don't know. I can't afford $600 a month though. That's crazy. I keep blowing up evals. Like, that's silly, right?
Well, hey, here's the thing. Don't blow up evals. Take all your payouts and then you can buy it.
Yeah.
It's that simple. I mean, how hard can it be? You just click a mouse.
It'd only take the winning trades, right?
Exactly. Just filter out the losing trades. Only take the winners. Life is good.
Oh my God. All right. I got to turn on some lights in here. I'll be right back.
Oh, we got Jesse. Lights off. You have to be paying Chinese currency. Yeah, that's a problem. Yeah, clap on, clap off. The clapper. Holy cow, I can't believe it's already 11 o'clock. Yeah, we haven't went nowhere pretty much, which I'm glad. I haven't been out here chasing my tail, trying to trade minis out here tonight. So I'm actually happy. Be happier if I would have made a little bit more money, but that's all right. I had a good trade right off the rip. Now tomorrow, I might be saving all the madness for tomorrow. Got patience tonight and give it all up tomorrow. It could happen. Oh, I hear a little bit of chirping. We going higher? Hiya. Oh boy. Move with strictly algos. Somebody needs to turn off the algos. Let's bring the real players back in. That's what I'm saying. We'll keep trying for 95. It's probably going to get it. Oil's already been down at 91. So. Oh, you don't like hearing the buyers? The buyers. Yes, about to take out the session highs. NASDAQ, did we make a new high? We did. Just barely, but hey, enough to make a new high.
All right, I'm back.
Hey, what's up?
What'd I miss?
Nothing.
It tried to spurt up a little bit.
Nothing.
Put in a new high barely. What is
Yeah.
that, two ticks?
2 tick high, baby. They're just trying to get people to short it. Short it. Become the driving force for the market to go higher. Just after hours in the dark.
Yeah, it started getting dark real quick.
That's funny. It's been dark here forever.
Yeah. We got some distance between us, probably about what, 3,000 miles or something?
Yeah, you're lucky you wouldn't be able to come on stream. I'd be zapping you.
I was gonna say I'm glad the cattle prods don't reach that far.
Break a rule. I would tempt you to break a rule too, just so I could zap you.
I can't believe I did that crap this morning. Unbelievable.
Sure, want to add some more contracts on that? I mean, you gotta double down. You gotta double down. So the only way to get it back. You go, oh yeah.
Yeah. And then even, well, when did I reset these accounts? When was I texting you earlier? I was still at work. It was this evening. You were like, another 100 points, another 100 points. I was like, dude, geez, I reset real quick.
I did. If I would have known that, I wouldn't have. I don't know. I texted you quite a bit.
Yeah. No, you said, I said, F it, I'm resetting. And then it took you a few minutes. I think you were probably trading. You got back to me. You said, no, I had already done it. I was already in.
I got back to you like 3 minutes later, I think. I think my daughter came in here or something.
Dude, I move quick. When the NQ is ripping hundreds of points, you got to move.
You got to act now.
And then I traded stupid. I mean, 2 contracts at a time, just boom, 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 boom. Not smart. But it's like I was still in that got to get it back mode. Now, thankfully, maybe I did $2,100, 5 TPT accounts. Maybe tomorrow I'll calm down. I got it back. I'm okay. Hopefully. Fingers crossed.
I love how you say maybe.
Get that cattle prod charged up and ready.
I love how you say maybe. Maybe I did. Not convinced, but maybe. Current valuations are unsustainable.
Yeah, there's that too. Like, I mean, I think, remember months ago when we were at all-time highs, I think we were all talking about this is crazy. Like the NQ is not worth this much. So there's that also. I don't know.
That VIX should fall out of bed tomorrow.
Yeah, where did it close? 26-ish or something? 25.7? Or wait, I don't know.
25.78.
Okay, yeah. All right. My chart's all right then.
Everything's just kind of flatline. Had the big moves, just like, hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait.
I think we're going to have to wait now until like the European stuff starts opening up and they go, what the F are these people thinking? They start selling it down.
So what you're saying is I need to go to bed. Go to bed because it's not going to get any better.
Ain't nothing going to happen for at least another half an hour. In my opinion. I mean, you never know.
So you're guaranteeing me my short's going to make money?
Depends on how much heat you're willing to take.
You're guaranteeing me it'll make money before the close tomorrow? It'll hit my target?
I can't guarantee it.
Come on, I need a guaranteed.
I have a strong feeling we're going back down to that wick down there. What is that? 24,500 is what I said.
I really want to add another contract on it. I just don't want it to be more against me than what it is before I add.
Yeah, you're gonna have to look way back on the charts to find a level up there to stage an order.
Nah, I got some areas in mind. Yeah, picky about the ES has not taken out the eye. We've had this liquidity up here on the ES all night. 68.20. Was 400 contracts, only 275 now. Buys up to 25,500. Hey, it could. Hey, it very well could. We can see a 1,000-point day on the NASDAQ. Very well could. Could happen. These ranges have been crazy tonight. Just the big move out of the gate. If you didn't catch the big move out of the gate, it's been slim picking since. Trying to see if I see any more projectiles being launched. Let's see. Trump said, Iran's uranium will be perfectly taken care of.
Oh, shoot. I missed Chris said goodnight up there. Did you catch
him? Hey, Chris. Good evening or good night. No, I didn't see it.
Yeah, sorry, Chris. If you're still here, good night, buddy.
And Chris has been the longest person coming to the stream. Back when I had like 10, 15 people. Back in the day.
All right.
So I do appreciate Chris. This is just horrible.
It's pretty impressive. There's 312 people watching and the market ain't doing squat. They must like us.
Nah, they're just hoping something's gonna happen. They want to see me add to my short and see a train wreck.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I think I want to go eat something.
M&M's. I haven't had dinner yet too, and it's 8 o'clock here. Jeez.
Oh, it's 11 o'clock here.
What?
310 people in shorts. Please go down so I can go to bed. Please just go down so I can go to bed. I'll never do it again. I'll never do it again.
That's funny, Lauren.
It could be true.
This ain't even real quicksand.
You always wear shorts in South Florida?
Hey, I am seeing some new names. Let's make sure. Let's send a link over to the main channel there, Mike. Mike streams every morning, folks. So make sure you're subscribed on the main channel. Check him out tomorrow morning.
Let me get a link.
And welcome to everybody who's new.
All right, here's a link to the main channel.
Good thing I
didn't add yet.
Yeah. Mike does a good show, like doing a lot of market prep showing off volume profile levels and all that good stuff.
And taking a lot of paper cuts.
And some big wins.
Oh, new highs. New
Seymour's
highs on
been
NASDAQ.
watching Mike since 2022. Yeah. New
Oh,
highs.
nice.
There it goes. They're ripping it.
Man, they want me to short it. They want me to short the bigger contract. I really want a little bit further, but
Apple. Exactly, Apple. That's how I was this morning. Holy smokes. Please, please, just come back to my entry.
All
I
right.
promise I'll get out.
I added one to it.
Did you add?
Yeah. I just feel like if it goes down there, I want to be rewarded.
Yeah, that's right, Seymour. Yep, I remember back then too. We all used to hang out with Mike at nighttime like this, and then he switched it up.
Just not this late though.
Yeah. Well, you were late pretty sometimes.
Yeah, it's usually 10 o'clock.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like if the market was moving, you were on pretty late.
I wasn't on past 10:30, except for the one
Really?
night. One night I was getting my butt kicked. That was a rough night.
I think that was the Israeli war.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Israeli or Iran, one of them started launching projectiles at one another. I was like,
I
oh
remember
boy.
that.
Oh
I
boy.
do remember that.
I was down big that night. And I said, I'm not getting off till this is all done with.
That day, you weren't even going to stream. You had a
Oh.
date night with the wife, and you got home early, and you said,
Yeah.
"F it, let's do a stream." And then
With a brand new account. I got the Apex account too.
yeah,
Brand new Apex account, torched that thing in an hour. Brand new PA.
Yeah.
God, that sucked. I was down big in my account too. I was like, holy crap.
Who else remembers that? Seymour, you were there, I bet. I was there. Let's put a 1 in the chat if you were there that night.
That was a rough night.
Let's put a 1 in the chat if you remember that night.
Yeah, that was
I'll
horrible.
start it off.
That was horrible.
Uh,
I said, I'm not getting off until I said, I think I can get it back. I am not getting off until afterwards. I didn't want to come back on the next day and say, all right, I got it all back after stream. We're going to do it. We're going to see how bad this bad boy gets. And thankfully, I ended up ultimately being right. I was just a little bit early.
just a wee bit early.
I can't remember where I was down. I remember I was down pretty big. I was like, holy crap. This sucks. This sucks. Got crude oil hanging right around 96. I'm hoping they took all the wind out of the sails for this NASDAQ. I don't know though. Watch this. If I wake up, I will cry. I'm going to tell you right here. This will make me cry. If I wake up and we came all the way down here, hit that point of control, I'm going to cry. I will cry so bad.
Okay, draw a line on your chart at 24,500 and label it Jesse's call out. And then put yours at the wherever you're trying to get out. 800, you said?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens in the morning when we group back up, folks.
All right. Let's see.
Javier, no, that's not his target for tonight per
No.
se. He'll hold that as long as it takes to get out of it.
Yeah, I got plenty of margin to hold it.
And I'm saying if we flush, I'm thinking it gets to 24,500.
Oh no, you said we were definitely gonna flush.
No, I didn't say definitely.
You said something about like guaranteed or something.
It's my uneducated guess.
Oh boy. My first paid subscription. Wow. That was on the main channel probably.
Oh yeah.
Which I got some things I might do in Costa Rica only for the members, I was thinking.
Members only.
Maybe. What's the worst? I don't know. I'd be down more than $400 if this. I don't know. I could lose infinity.
Well, it's only two. Dude, it's 2 micros. I mean, how far could it
We
really...
wake up and we're up 10,000 points.
Uh,
I mean, I'm already down $61. What am I going to do? Oh my goodness. I'm just thinking about if it hits target, I'm up $1,100.
I mean, dude, with NQ being up 740-ish points, I mean, come on.
All right, so hey, so what's gonna make it go down?
I'm not saying it'll definitely go down, but it ain't going up another 700 points. Like you're not gonna lose your ass on that.
Famous last words.
Yeah, Javier. Yeah, Mike's been known to hold micros for a few days. I mean, he'll see it down there.
I mean, it's only tying up a couple thousand a margin, not much.
Unlike most of us, I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I trade prop firms, so I got to get out of my trades every day. Mike's got the luxury of a big old cash account.
It's not big.
That's what she said.
Hey, don't tell everybody.
Sounding like Apple over here.
Oh, yeah, what was that? 95s? 95, 80s.
It's coming down. That's weird because oil's dropping a little bit, and so is NQ. That's odd.
Well, hey, I did a small account challenge just for myself. I posted it every night on YouTube. I'd show the broker statements and all that. I started with $151, and the whole purpose was to show people why you need more than $150 to trade with. I caught a couple of lucky breaks. I ended up turning that account over 13 or 14 months into six figures.
And didn't you just abruptly kind of end that whole series because it worked out and you were trying to show how it wouldn't work out?
Yeah, I ended it when I was up like 13 or 1400 bucks. Like, I don't want to blow this up. I'll look like an idiot. So I took like a week off. I told everyone, hey, that's the last one I'm going to do. Took like a week or two off, and then I said, let me just picked around at it there, here and there. Then before I knew it, I was like, holy crap. And that was all micros up till 30, 40, 50,000 in the account. I still was only trading micros. And then once I got to like 70 something, well, at 40 or 50, I do a micro or a mini every now and then, but still primarily micros. Once I got to like 70 plus, then I started doing minis, and it really accelerated. Yeah, hey Yoda, but it wasn't overnight, and I got a lucky break on the beginning. I was doing a series to show people. I got sick of seeing these videos. I turned $100 into $1 million, and I was going to show people the problems and why you can't do that. And I caught a lucky break. I mean, you have to get a lucky break in the beginning for it to work. The whole reason I filmed the video, and I was showing every night so people could see how this is going to turn bad. It just never did. So that's just.
But again, happens. That was a lucky break.
Lucky break.
A lot of things got to go your way.
Yep. Yep. And it was pretty much volume profile rotation trades. Looking for bigger moves. Hey, and if I was in a trade and I wanted to hold it for longer, like it did not hit my target yet, it was still going that direction, I would close it out at like 4:15, 4:30. Then at 6 o'clock, I'd reopen it right back up to keep going in that direction. That way I didn't get caught with the maintenance margin because I didn't have enough money for it. Out of $150 something, 50 of it went for the margins for the one contract. I had $100 of drawdown essentially. So yeah, probabilities and luck. You do need a little bit of luck.
Yeah. Hey, by the way, Lauren makes some good points too. Is that, market could go down. You don't need sellers for the market to go down. You just need a lack of buyers. And at these prices way up here.
It's not true. If nobody sells, the market won't go down.
Well, you still need sellers, but you don't need aggressive. I think what Lauren means is you don't need people like purposely trying to aggressively force it down.
They do. Well, look. So, hey, what moves the market is actually aggressive buyers and sellers. Because look, what if I had an apple and I said, hey, I'm going to sell you an apple. And I tell you, hey, it's $5. You said, no, I'll only pay $3. I say, no, $5. You say $3.
Yeah, Apple's just going to sit there forever.
Exactly. So the market will just go sideways. Somebody has to be aggressive and say, F it. Okay, I'll take $3. Or you say, F it. I'll pay you $5. I'm done with this mess. That's the only thing that's going to move the markets. Otherwise, we stand still. Somebody has to cross the line. Otherwise, markets don't move.
Speaking of apples.
Yeah, I've been sitting this short for quite a while too. Hey, Apple, what price are you in at? Well, pulling liquidity off the books only helps the aggressive. Helps people get more aggressive on one side or the other. So you still need the aggressive buyer or seller.
And I just don't know who the heck is going to want to be an aggressive buyer up here when we're already 700 plus points.
Well, hey, we have a ceasefire. The war is over.
Yeah, sure.
Read all the headlines. It's over.
They're still firing missiles.
I've been in this short for a long time too. I don't know about 3 hours, but I've been in it for a hot minute. All we need is, a little. We need it to look like it's going to come unglued on the ceasefire. And then they say, oh, no, we got it. So you get a big old knee jerk down. And then whoop, right back up.
Lauren says the same guy who bought oil today at 115. Yeah, I guess you're right. Oh, look at that. Jeez. They got ran over. That oil chart is nasty looking. Woo.
I don't know. If you look at oil, no, we went up too high now for that. The pattern I was looking at before. It almost retested the high from that weekend when oil went zinging up. Now, I've done pretty good on micro oil here and there recently, but I haven't placed a lot. I mean, I've only placed less than 10 trades on it, but they've all been winners. I've had to hold some for more than a day too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I going to see green? Can we get the sellers to keep pounding the tape? Uh-oh. If I see green, I'll be very happy.
They're in control of the volume pressure, that's for sure.
Man, I am so hungry.
They're stepping in. Well, buyers are fighting them now. Oof.
Hey, Apples, what price do you need market to go to get back in the green? I haven't been down a lot on this tonight, but I've been down the whole night on just about.
Yoda, good job. I hope that day comes for me soon. Jeez Louise.
What did Yoda say?
Took all the way up to 2024 to get profitable, but then turned the 35K into 300K with options.
Oh, nice. Good deal.
Yeah. I like it.
106.50. Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, you're in a pretty good spot then, Apples. Yeah, he's in a better spot than I am. Buying 4 micros? Oh boy. I've traded gold a little bit last couple of months. I used to trade gold every single morning. I used to like trading it pre-market. But with my current chart layout and book map, I just don't have room for those charts. But I have traded a little bit with the recent volatility in metals, but not a whole bunch. So just screen real estate.
I'll tell you why I stopped, Bubba.
It wasn't because he made too much money.
I made my single biggest trade ever on gold, and then the next night, my single biggest losing trade ever on gold. I said, that's it. I'm done with gold.
What was the biggest winning trade? How much was it?
I don't even remember. I might be exaggerating, but it was a god-awful amount of money. I was pumped. And then lost it all and blew up my accounts. Oh, man.
I had that 10K trading gold, the first one I traded.
Oh, I remember. Yeah,
a long time.
That.
Yeah.
And then you followed up just a few days later with like a 5 or 6K, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Those were good.
But then I was like, I don't want to get that money back. I'm not trading no more.
Yeah. Gold will get it. Gold will take it back for sure.
Well, I've traded the micro gold a little bit after. I think when the gold really got crazy going up, I quit trading the mini. I traded some micros off and on a little bit, not a whole lot. Probably just like oil, less than 10 times in the last
Speaking of
several
gold,
months.
there's T Coop in the chat, that rascal.
Best time 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. Yeah, I had a trade. I don't even know if it's on here anymore. I wonder if it's on the tubes. I had my best gold trade ever, and I made a video for it. I might have deleted it though. I want to see if I can find it. I almost didn't take the trade. Less than a minute, I made like, I don't know, $800-900, something like that. Maybe it was like 30 seconds. It was something stupid. I almost didn't take it. I went boop. I was like, holy crap. I went to go move my target and I couldn't even move it. It happened so quick. It wasn't even news. Then it went right back to where it was. I was like, what the world? At least that's the way I remember it. It could be a little, time distorts things a little bit. Best. I might not have it no more.
Oop, the sonar is going off. They're stacking orders.
Is it upside or downside?
Upside, but the sellers stepped in immediately. Woo!
It's like, get out of here. I know when a trade. Oh boy, my Costa Rica trip video. It's in private. In today's video, we're going to talk about.
You should make that bad boy public and put a link just for 5 minutes.
No, I don't want to do that.
Just to give people.
It's embarrassing.
Come on, live a little.
I'm not even on camera there. I'm listening to it. I don't know if you can hear it or not.
No, I can't hear it.
Oh, hey, but I will show my stats. That was actually a decent trip. So here's my stats on that Costa Rica trip. Way back when. 72% win rate. Only 11 trades. Profit factor 5.43. Look, that's back in 2017. That was years ago. Years and years ago. So. That video is funny.
That was back before Ninja had the black theme, I guess, huh?
Well, I think I didn't know how to do the themes then or something. I changed my chart colors or something. I don't know. That's too long ago. Oh, let's see. Oh. Let's see what other old videos I have. I deleted a whole bunch. Oh, I do got some small account challenge videos. Wow, I have a couple of them. I don't have them all.
Hey, do you feel like taking a little bit more risk?
No.
Oh shoot. I thought I had what I thought was a good idea.
But what's that?
I was gonna say grab one of those targets and drag it down to 24,500.
Not doing it.
It's going there, I'm telling you.
Oh look. Let's see. Here's one of the broker statements. I don't know if I can read that on here. Oh, I was actually on camera then. That's crazy.
Yeah, good point, Eric. Yeah, probably would be. Eric says if you had continued that small account challenge, probably be at 1 million.
Oh, hey, that's not it.
Hey, you're on camera in that video.
Yeah, that's a surprise.
That's surprising.
That's not the one. Oh, wow.
Hey.
Wow, yes, just came. I guess I only went down 3 points. On one screen, it looked like a big bar down.
Trying to dump.
Hey, so I was up to $1,400 in that one. So that wasn't it. Okay, let's see. I want to see if I can find video number 1 of that series. I deleted most of them. I only have like 3 or 4 of those. Let's see. Small account challenge. Oh boy, that's a lock limit day nightmare. That was horrible. Nah, I don't have them all. Only have 2 of the videos. Dang it. Let's see what this video looks like. Still right on my trade.
It had to have gotten close to getting green on that little flush there, that mini flush.
Oh, hey, in that video, maybe I took it up to more than that. Hey, so in that video it shows I have $1,705. So I thought I cut it off at like 13 or 1,400 bucks, but I guess I kept it going a little bit longer. Yeah, I wish I had day number 1. So I'd even go on there and show my trades and stuff too. It was all micros. Let's see if I show. Let's see. I wish I had that first video still. Wish I hadn't deleted it. No, it doesn't show it. Dang it. So I'm going to go back in memory lane real quick, but I don't have it. Oh well. Oh well.
I was just reading through the juice to see what's been happening here.
It's been happening. They're trying to get us all to fall asleep, and then big moves gonna happen.
Yeah.
I'm hoping we get this baby cranking to it down. I want to wake up and see I made $1,100 on this trade. Not down 100, not down 1,100 bucks. That'll suck. If you guys are on the stream in the morning, I'll share with you guys however this trade ends up, good, bad, or ugly, good, bad, indifferent, whatever the case may be.
I think you got this.
Yeah, the trades I feel the most confident about are the ones that really screw me over.
I think I'm gonna. By the time I wake up, now I'm 3 hours behind you, but by the time I join the stream, you're probably gonna go, Jesse, what's up, dude? Look at this, and then you're gonna be like, I should have moved that target down to 24.5.
Well, hey, so this is what we should do then. Leave your ringer on, and I'll call you as soon as I wake up.
Oh heck no.
And sleep with it like right on your pillow so your wife hears it and everything too.
Oh my gosh, I'm already in the doghouse. I don't need that.
I remember one day, I was tired or something. I don't know. I got up early in the morning. Also, where you guys? I gotta go to work. She looked at me funny. I was like, all right. I go to work. Get there. I'm mad. I think I'm running late. Gates are still locked. I'm like, where's everybody at? Like, what the F? It was Sunday. So then I'm up and I can't even go back to bed. Oh man, that sucked.
That's funny.
Yeah, I went to go call the manager. I was gonna say, like, where are you? I'm trying to get in here. I got stuff to get done. And we're closed.
Dude, years ago, this was years ago, but I remember I was like half asleep getting ready for work. And we were running late, so I skipped the shower that morning. And I was sitting on the edge of the bed. My wife gets out of the shower, comes in the room. I'm sitting on the edge of the bed, putting on my shoes. And she says, what the F are you doing? I said, I'm getting ready to go to work. She goes, you're going to put on pants?
That would have been funny.
I couldn't believe it, dude. I literally had to take a shoe and a half off to get dressed.
Oh. That would have been funny. Except to work. What are you guys looking at?
Dude, we were
Where's your
laughing.
pants? Oh man, that'd be crazy.
The whole drive we were cracking up.
Hey, I'm green. I'm green.
Woo, let's go.
I should close it. Take it while I have it.
No.
That'd be a successful night. I made like, I don't know, 50-ish bucks, 50-ish, 30 to 50 bucks on the NQ trade. And now I'm up 13 on this one, 16, 18. Oh yeah.
Hey, yeah, I was washing a car and I was busy running around the house. I missed the whole first half of your stream. Did you take any trades? What's been going on?
I meant to do the MNQ. I did the NQ. I was like, uh-oh, I did the wrong
Oh yeah,
contract.
I heard that. Did you?
And then I've
did you
been sitting this one the rest of the day. That's it.
That's it.
I've been patient. I know this market. I don't want to anger the beast. Apple says my goal is for the night is not to use code Mike. And hopefully that means you're not blowing up accounts.
Oh, hey, I misread it. Apple, I thought I saw the word again. I was gonna laugh my ass off.
Oh.
Hey, that reminds me. One time for Thanksgiving, we were all at my sister's house, and all of a sudden, my sister's like panicking in the kitchen. She hollers to her. She's like, "Babe," she's all, "I need you to get in here and fix the dishwasher. I did it again." Turns out she put like normal, like Dawn soap in the dishwasher.
Oh boy.
It foamed out and covered the whole kitchen floor. But the fact that she said again, like, how do you do that again? Oh my God, that was funny. I'm sorry, but that's the kind of mistake you don't really do again.
She did.
Yeah, I don't.
When I was younger, my mom went out for the night or whatnot, and me and my cousin popped some popcorn. I got mad because the last kernels wouldn't pop. Like, it always make me mad. So I was like, I'm going to put it back in there. Put it back in there. Open it back up. I was like, still didn't pop. Man, I ended up cooking this popcorn for like 45 minutes. It smelled so bad. The dog wouldn't even go in the same room. The dog was like, my mom comes home and says, what is that? It smells like I was trying to pop popcorn.
Yeah, that smell of burnt popcorn.
Oh, it was horrible. Horrible.
Yeah. And it takes days to get out of the house, too.
I mean, you're thinking 45 minutes of putting it in the microwave. And they never did pop either. They just wouldn't pop.
Hey, who was in this short with 4 micros? Was that Apple?
Apple, yeah.
Yeah, you guys are making money. Let's go.
Not enough, though.
Let's go.
Hopefully I wake up in the morning, it's just targets filled. That'd be fantastic.
I mean, if they break this previous swing right over here on my chart, I've got a swing point at 83. If they break that, people are going to start friggin' covering. It'll flush. Let's go.
Yeah, hey, Koopa, I was thinking about that earlier. It's not up enough on this yet. Short with 2 minis. Oh boy.
Yeah, got to break 83 here. If they break 83, the longs are going to start covering, and that'll cause a flush, you would think.
Longs aren't going nowhere.
We'll see.
I don't know. We finished our ABC pattern. I mean, we should do something other than continue up, and we've been going sideways.
Hold on, Lamar. Is it Lamar? Lamar's short too. 4 micros. Let's go.
Oh boy, he's better priced than me and Apple both. No, I don't have any courses.
Nah, everything you hear around here is free. You can't beat free.
Yeah, see you in the morning. All hail the market makers. Six minis at 104. Oh boy. I wouldn't be able to go to bed tonight. At least with this trade, I can go to bed. Won't have too many nightmares. Give me some minis and it'll be a train wreck.
Wow. That's aggressive, Josh. Woo.
I think I'm fixing to jump off and go to bed though. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna jump off, get something to eat, then go to bed. I'm hungry. I don't know why I'm so hungry tonight.
Okay, here's the little 23.6 retracement, and then it's gonna flush. Let's go. Let's go.
Forget your 23%. I hate that thing.
It's not mine. It's Fibs. I didn't make it up.
I know. All hail the market makers. We never did take that liquidity at 68.20 on the ES. It's still there. Never took it yet. I don't know. I think we're going to bust these highs there in London. I think this green's going to be short-lived.
Hey, quick question for you.
Mm-hmm.
Is there an easy way for me to, on Bookmap, like on my price scale, no matter how much I drag it up and down, it's like showing the 0.5, the 0.75, I can't get it to be every dollar. It's like every $5, every $2, and then it starts showing decimals. Like I want it to be every point. Is there somewhere in the settings where I can actually fine tune that rather than trying to drag it up and down?
Just gotta drag it. Look.
Mine won't go to $1 even.
Right there.
Hold
Dollar
on,
even.
Hold on, let me see.
Hey, where the numbers are, you gotta drag it. Like right here.
Yeah, no, I am, but I can't get it. Mine goes for like 0.25,
Right
0.75.
Look.
Yours is at every dollar?
Yeah.
What the? I can't get mine to do that. Hold on, let me try again.
We try NASDAQ.
Yeah, I'm on NASDAQ.
We'll see NASDAQ.
0.25, 0.5.
Right there. Right there. Look, right there.
You got it?
Yeah.
Mine won't do it. It skips right to, let's see. Okay, I'm at 0.5. A little bit more. Nope, now it's at 0.25, 0.5, and 0.75. I can't get it to do it. Weird.
I don't know. I don't have a problem with it.
Wait. Oh, I got it, dude. 8, 9, 10. Yep, I got it. Heck yeah.
See, easy peasy.
Uh-oh, I messed with it again.
Randy
No,
trades futures. Hey, Randy, what's up?
There we go. I got it. Yeah, that looks better. Thank you.
Oh, my trade's about to go red. Knew I should have took that $20.
There's the 23.6 exactly right there. Let's see what happens.
If it goes up.
We just tagged it. Randy, nice stream. Yeah, thanks. I like hanging out here. So if anybody's interested, the 38.2 would be at 101. We almost got there. I mean, the range is tiny, right? So
yeah, we've only had a 166 point range today.
No,
very small.
I'm talking about the range on
I know. I was giving you a hard time.
Yeah. This is just the last half an hour range.
I think I'm going to jump off, get some sleep because this trade's going nowhere.
Yeah, it's going to take a while.
I'll probably be in it when we get up in the morning. If you guys are on the stream in the New York session, we'll touch base on this trade, see how it worked out. Fingers crossed, I wake up, I'm out of the trade. Just targets failed. I don't know if that's going to happen. I kind of think we're going to hang up here a lot longer.
I still say pull one down there. To that
no, I'm not doing that. No. No. I want to wake up and see targets filled, not in the trade. I want to still be hoping that it goes down there. Hopefully it's not a big ripper up too.
I'm pretty sure the London market's going to see this and go, what are these guys thinking?
No, they're going to say, yeah, we got to pile in. We don't want to miss it.
No.
It might. They might.
Andrew bought puts before the market closed.
Oh boy, those puts aren't doing too good. Gonna be financially ruined. Hey, you never know. Maybe the ceasefire will fall apart in day one. It'll be good. It's not over till it expire.
That's right. I really think this thing's going down there, so he might be just fine.
I don't know if I agree. Don't know that I agree. I mean, I hope you're right.
Mike says, unless you bought 0 DTE, yeah, if they expire tomorrow, you might be in some trouble.
Might. Hey, but if we can move up 763 points, why can't we go down 763 points?
Yeah, we've seen it happen.
Never lose if you keep rolling them.
All right, Mike. Well, thanks for having me, dude. Go get a little snack. Get
Sleep
and
get a little snack, get some eat.
Yeah.
Come back in the morning. I'll be streaming on the main channel at 8 a.m. So if you guys want to join me, there's a link to the main channel. You guys can come hang out. Love to have you there. We're going to have a duck race tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll be giving away a Take Profit Trader account. Tomorrow night we'll be giving away another Pretty account. So if you guys want to check them out, again, they have the best instant funded rules in the game. So with that being said, pray for my trade and we'll see how it turns out in the morning. Take care.